everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And today for our 3-minute mini build we are going to be building this bird feeder. I suppose winter is coming along now and we need to feed our birds. And I'll show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off by making the actual ground, and we're going to be using a 6x6 standard base plate, always my favourite when making mini builds like this. And we're just going to get some flower pieces and stick them on like so. Now in the middle we are going to be using 2 of these 2x2 round bricks in purple. Just stick them on like so. But now we're going to make the actual bird feeder parts separately. So we're going to bring in a 4x4 round base plate and we're going to turn it upside down, because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be attaching these inverted slopes in underneath the round base plate in symmetrical order, I suppose, like this. And on top, to make it sturdy, we're going to be using these 1x2 jumper plates in dark purple, and these are going to be perches for our birds to sit on when they're eating. So now in the middle we want to attach some panel pieces. I've got these clear panel pieces, one like this and another one like this. This is going to hold our food later. But now we're going to be making the sides of the bird feeder. So 1x2 bricks, I've got these dark pink ones because I like that, and some base plates. So we've got these 1x2 base plates in this light purple. And before we go anywhere else, we're going to put some food into our bird feeder. So you can use anything you like, biscuits, leaves, bananas, but I'm using these little round yellow studs, and these are going to be like seeds inside the bird feeder. If you have a bird feeder, what would you feed your birds? But anyway, we're going to be using these 1x4 arch bricks, 2 of them. We're just going to stick them on top like so, and 2 of these 1x2 roof tiles. I'm using dark pink, just like so. Now we're going to bring back our terrain, stick our bird feeder on like so, and there we've done it. So there we have it, our bird feeder is complete, filled with bird food, ready for birds to fly about and get ready to eat it. But we have to remember that this is winter time, so I will show you how to amp this up for a little bit of winter scene. So there we go, a nice little winter transformation, and it's really simple. All I've used is I've changed the base plate for a white one, and I've stuck tiles in any bare patches that I could find to make it look like this snow has fallen on. And we've got hungry birds from everywhere flying in, and what they can do is that they can obviously stick their head inside there to have a eat, and they can also sit on this perch like this. And also, it's not just birds that come to bird feeders, but squirrels and other wildlife also need lots of food for the winter. So do make sure that if it does get really cold outside, to help your garden wildlife a little bit. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building! Wait, 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 wait.